everybody, this is TecX and welcome back to an amazing blazing update from Continuous TecX. So this is an amazing and special video for y'all, and today I have your amazing duopods from Mivi, which I ordered few days ago because it was an offer, and I thought I should grab this offer as soon as possible. So I ordered few days ago, 2 or 3 days ago, and it arrived today. So without wasting any time, let's begin this video, and I will try to cover all the things, what's inside it and everything, and there will be a special review how it's working and everything in another video. I will cover that. So without wasting, let's first break this seal and open our product. So you can see it's from Mivi, and I ordered it from Flipkart. It is currently in sale. You can also buy it is like your $6.99. So you can see there's a kind of bill here. So let me take this bill side, and let's take our main product side. So yeah, this is our main product, that is our Mivi Duopod. So you can see it's really looking cool if you see clearly. Then when you turn it, you can see clearly there's a push the limits given here, and that's the main theme of your Mivi. And when you come this side, then you can see engineered and made in India. And I love to unbox made in India product because that's so something great towards our nation. So you can see there are a lot more specifications given here. So without wasting any time, let's see what are those specifications. So you can see true wireless earphones, HD stereo sound, lossless audio. We will check it in for the video. Solid bass, powerful diverse, and I heard much about its bass, that it's crazy and it's kind of perfect for this buds. So you can see play it on 20-hour battery life. That's great. Sweat proof IPX 4.0, which means if somehow you drop this into water or sweat or whatever, then it is going to protect because it is IPX 4.0 verified, and that's really looking great. And you can see a one-touch play, pause, answer call, and I will cover this thing in another video, that how it works. This is only a special unboxing video, and you can see it's proudly made in India, and that's why I proud it. And you can see 1 year warranty limited, and that's needed also. So let's break this seal, and let's take our main product. So let's open this. So you can see it's open now. Glossy box inside. Let's take this out. Yeah. So this is our main product, guys. And you can see, oh yeah, amazing. There's important things given here about your related warranty that I already covered in many videos, and I will make this for also. So you can simply register product. I do what I just go and visit this site and registered it. So let's cite it. So you can see welcome to the crew, and it's a welcome card, and that's cool. And this is your user manual, amazing, for your Duopods M20 from Mivi. So this is going to be useful if you are new to this. So this is our main product. You can see amazing glossy box, and you can charge it from here, and that's cool. And let's open out. So this is your main product, that is your Mivi Duopods M20. So you can see it's really looking in my hands. Let's see what's inside in other inbox. So you can see there is a USB cable charging. Okay, so this is your buds for all the ears. I mean small to big, whatever suits you. And you can see it's this is your USB cable from which you can charge your Duopods and enjoy much. So let's check this out, and so let's see what is this. So you can see when you will take it out, it will start coming in color. You can see clearly that this indicates that it is ready to pair. And when you will open your device and search for this, then you are going to see Mivi Duopods kind of something name, and from that you can pair it easily. So let's put inside again, because we don't want to pair it now. So I will make all the thing in other video if you want, and that's the thing. So this is the really small and compact. You can take it anywhere wanted, and really useful. So really it's amazing box. So this is the whole video. So this is the whole video for your Mivi Duopods M20 unboxing, and hope you like this video. And another video is coming regarding this topic, that how it's working and its base and everything which you will think. And I heard much about this, so I will test it and make another video for you. So this is the whole video for now, and hope you really find this video helpful. And if you really find this video, just share with the friends and family who wanted to buy an cool pair of your earbuds, and it's in budget. So currently when I purchased this, then this was in your $699. That's why I purchased, and its color is also amazing, and much more things are there, so I will cover in another video. So this is the whole video, guys, and thank you for watching, and I will really see you in next amazing blazing update. And if you're new to my channel, then definitely you can subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can never miss any kind of update from my side or any other unboxing or anything, because I make video regularly about updates and your unboxing. So thank you for watching. See you in next video.